it's quite a strange system in the VW Golf. You can only, or I've only found a way of deleting a phone if it's actually connected to the system. So the good thing is it doesn't retain the previous owner's phones. If you write over them, then you can just get rid. So to delete a phone, it is connected. So it's showing here VW phone connected there. Okay, so on the right hand side of the steering wheel here, you've got what looks like a couple of pages, probably an arrow. So if I click on that until we get to phone, then I click OK. You've got phone book, dial number, call register, voicemail box, Bluetooth, settings. So if I go into Bluetooth, you've got user, new user, visibility, media player, phone name, back. I go into settings, phone book, ringtone, back. So back to Bluetooth. You see there user, click on user, see Barry's iPhone. If I click on that, you've got connect, disconnect, rename and delete. So I'm going to delete that, delete, OK. Barry's iPhone deleted. So that's it. That's how you delete it.